Today I will share how to make a senior poster design for the class of 2026 in Canva, and this is for the theme of American football. So let's start with it, and I am choosing this photo. So how to search this photo? Let's write here American football players. Okay, and go to photos and click on see all. And after scrolling down, you will find this picture. Just use it here. Let's just crop it here and duplicate it. And in here, I will just click on BG remover. After that, I will just make it bigger. So let's just keep it here in the middle. And after that, I will just decrease the transparency. And after that, right click hit here, go to layer, show layers, and in the background I will just come here and scroll down to find default gradient colors. I will use this one, this is linear gradient, and I will add another layer, color layer, which is of this one. Let's click in here and let's use it. So in the right side it becomes a depth of this color, and after that I will just go to edit, scroll down to find filters, click on see all and scroll down here to find select. Let's use this one, and after that use this one. Let's make it bigger. And after that again click on BG remover, so the background is removed again. Okay, now I will just click on R to activate a rectangle. Now I will just make it bigger. Just keep it here and make it bigger. Okay, and after that click on color and select this one which says no color. Okay, and here in stroke style click on the second one and click on the stroke weight, increase it, keep it according to your requirement, and after that change the stroke color to white. Okay, and just make it bigger slightly here so that I can cover the hands here and slightly down here. And after that I will click on here color, go to gradient, and for the gradient colors I will change it again to white and again repeat it 4 times. So there are 4 layers as you can see in here. So for the first one I will just change the transparency to 0. Again for the second one, for the third one I will just keep it slightly here, and I will select the second style which says linear gradient 180 degree. Okay, and just keep it here, and after that slightly move it here so that slightly the football is visible. And after that I will just click it here, duplicate it, place it here in the same layer. Okay, and I will just crop it till here, till the effect is coming. Okay, and after that I will go to text here and click on add a heading, and in here I will write senior. So I will use S here and change the font to sports world. Okay, and after that just bring it here and duplicate it. So I will duplicate it 5 times more so that I can write senior here. Now I will select all the layers and I will make them bigger. Okay, and I will bring it down here and slightly smaller, and after that select the layers again and click on space evenly and tidy up. So it is tidy up here. And now let's remove the O part, and I will go to element, and here I will type American football, and this time I will go to graphics and click on see all, and I will select this icon, which is a free icon as you can see in here, and I will just add it here, and I will just bring it right here so that I can adjust it. Okay, so it is adjusted. Now I will use the same color for the text, which is dark brown. Let's copy the code and I will use it in the text here. So let's use it. Okay, and for this football part I will change this color to white so that it matches all the layers, and after that I will go to text layer again and click on add a subheading, and here I will write class of 2026, and I will select the font again and scroll down to find Princeton. So let's use this one and just bring it here. So let's increase the size a bit and middle it. Okay, and to make it more enhanced I will go to elements here. Here I will type helmet, so it becomes American football helmet, and I will go to photos this time, click on photos and click on see all, and I will use this one. Okay, and I will just make it smaller and tilt it a bit and use it here. So this one I have done to -32 degrees, and I will just duplicate it again and bring it here, click on flip horizontal, and I will tilt it to +32 degrees so that both of them becomes similar. Okay, and just bring it right here, and this is how you design the senior poster in Canva for the class of 2026. So hope you like this tutorial, and please subscribe to the channel for more amazing tutorials like this. Thank you.